Working with access names for InTouch to communicate with a communications server. You must first create an access name in InTouch to talk to that specific manufacturer's driver. This configuration is done inside InTouch Window Maker using the Tag Dictionary ribbon and selecting Access Names. There are a pre-configured list of access names, Galaxy OPC and OPC UA. For this example, we'll create our own. We'll click the Add button, which opens up the Add Access Name dialog box. We'll give our configuration an access name, the node name where our communication driver is running. The protocol selection includes the older DDE dynamic data, exchanged for very old driver communication, and the newer technology SweetLink. We have SweetLink selected by default. The option went to Advise Server. By default is set to only active items. This limits the number of data points being activated with the communication driver to those items which are in use and in touch. This is used in some cases where you have to leave all the items. Enabled full time due to the length of time it takes to connect or disconnect from a data source. This also usually only applies to older types of communication. And then we click Add to add our new access name to the access names list. You can see it here in this last row and click Close.
Thanks for watching. Follow us on social media.